What's up my world of Nintendo fam? It is Mizzle's World Toys back with another haul and unboxing video. Today we have some more World of Nintendo figures for you. 4-inch Koopa Troopa, Peppy, Samus, and for the 2.5 inches we have the Silver Chain Chomp and Red Bullet Bill. I'm probably not opening Chain Chomp and Bullet Bill yet, but I'm going to open these 4-inch figures right now. So I got Samus and Koopa Troopa from GameStop, and this Peppy I got from Amazon. It's used in like new condition. I'm opening it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So let's get started. We'll get Peppy open first. See, you can see the tape. It's been opened before. Here's Peppy, seems to be in pretty good condition. I told you I'm gonna have to start buying some of the Starfox characters because I got Fox McCloud now. Nice leg, knee, ankle articulation in the hips, shoulders, elbows, wrist, his neck also. Seems like the ears actually move a little bit too. So that's it for him with the accessory. Let's put him over here. Okay, next up is Koopa Troopa. Okay, here's Koopa Troopa. You can see the holes for his wings. He has elbow, wrist, and shoulder articulation, head, his legs, knees, and ankles. Let's get his wings put in. There's one. There's two. And he looks great. Sorry for the noises in my chair. I like this figure a lot. I love the wings. It's a really cool figure. I have the red one too, the red paratrooper. So yeah, that's him. His accessory, of course, is his wings. And now we're going to do Samus. This wave is Diddy Kong, Blue Toad, Luigi, Ganondorf, and Metroid, Series 1-2. Here's a mystery. Alright, she was actually pretty easy to take out of the box, and I'm loving this figure a lot. Samus looks great. Love the detail. knee articulation, ankles, legs, shoulders, head, elbow, and some slight articulation and I believe no articulation in the wrist. But look at the design. She looks great. I'm very happy to have this figure because she looks awesome, and I believe she's my first 4-inch Metroid series character, since I've really been only collecting World of Nintendo Mario themed figures, but I'm moving on into Starfox, Metroid. I've got a few Zelda. This is a great figure. I'm gonna have to add more to the collection. Let's open the mystery box. And boom. Perfect. Okay, so here's everything we unboxed. We have Samus, Peppy, Koopa Troopa, and their accessories. They're all great figures. I suggest you go and get them. GameStop, Amazon, Target, wherever you can find them. Definitely pick them up. Tell me which one is your favorite down below in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also comment down below and tell me what figures you'd like to see me unbox next. It could be World of Nintendo, Amiibo, anything Nintendo related, or a video game. I'll do an unboxing for you guys and a review. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.